etc. In this video, I'm giving you detailed information related on best camera setting of iPhone 16 Pro Max. You should apply the same process of iPhone 16 Pro as well. Which setting is the best to capture the picture, record the video? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. My screen is coming here. You should enter here in the setting, after that general and then software update. As my personal recommendation, you should update iOS 18.4 and then after you should change those settings and capture the picture and record the video. We can go back here, enter the camera option. So here the bunch of options are available. We can see one by one. So first is camera control. First one is a clean preview. So always this option enable. Lock focus also enable. If you click here in the camera, so why we select here camera? Because of the one of the button is available on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you use this button, so by default you should select as a camera option here. Then single click or double click. Always prefer single click. The capturing the picture requires screen on, always on. Press and hold, enable this one. Accessibility, you can use always default setting of this. We can go back here and require screen on, and again first option is completed. Next option we can see here the photography style. Photography style, most of people asking me the question related on vivid filter. So you can fix your one quality related picture or setting, get start, and accordingly which photography style you want capture. So accordingly you should decide this one, select one of them, 4 photo always, and after that you can change here the photography style like this, and this one is perfect. You should continue and change the color as well, and then fix this setting, which setting you like. Accordingly this one is perfect. Save and tone. Next time you capture the picture, so such kind of frame or recording you receive that one. That's why you should use here photography style. You decide which style you want require, accordingly change this one and then fix. Next option come here, record the video. You click here, and if you have iPhone 16 Pro Max, so this camera setting is outstanding. This year they are introducing 4K at 120 frames per second, and after that you receive different quality of videos and different quality of pictures. I always use 4K at 120 frames per second, and during the night time I use this one 4K at 100 frames per second, because of sometimes blur is coming if you record some of the video in the light, so blur is coming. So you should use these features without 120. Always select here PAL. So I mostly use both two settings only, recording point of view. Show PLA format, of course I always enable here. Enhanced stabilization, if you enable this enhanced stabilization, so little shake your phone, so the shake is not showing in your video. Action mode, lower light, I always enable here. HDR video, high efficiency, of course we go with high efficiency. Auto frame per second, so previous model also providing the same feature, auto 30 and 60 frames per second, so I select this one. Camera lock, I disable this one. Lock white balance, so line is coming during the recording, so I always use here white balance, so you can record as exactly center frame. Go back here, slow motion by default I select 4K 120 frames per second. As a daylight and during the night I select 4K at 100 frames per second, so blur is not coming here. So this is one of the best setting. No need to require 1080 pixel on HD, because of we have 4K, so we can use 4K. Go back and record the cinematic. Always as usual I am recording the cinematic as well, 4K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 25 frames per second. You should use what time you are recording the video, accordingly change the setting. Sound recording point of view, spectral audio, you know how to use spectral audio. I already make a video how to use spectral audio, what is the advantage, link is available on video description. Record sound point of view, always use spectral audio if you have iPhone 16 Pro. Otherwise you should use simply in mono, and allow audio playback always on. So we can go back here. format. So format point of view here, high efficiency, most compatibility. If you use high efficiency, click the picture, so vivid filter option is not showing if you edit the picture. But if you select here most compatibility, click the picture and then edit, so the format, and you should convert your live picture to vivid format as well. So most time I always use most compatibility. Photo mode, by default I select 24 megapixel. ProRAW and resolution control I always on default. Here the default option is available, which one you suitable. So I always use ProRAW max up to 48 megapixel and JP lossless most compatibility I select here. Go back. Next here, Apple ProRAW I always enable, and here the second option I always use log. Go back. The format is complete. Preserve setting. So preserve setting point of view, simple option I always enable all the features. Go back, and here the volume up to speed always on, QR code on, show detection text as well I on, grade level, mirror front of the camera, view outside the frame I always on this one. Fusion camera, two options showing here, 28 mm, 35 mm I always on this one, and default lens I select 35 mm. Here photo mode enable, faster shooting also I am enable, lens correction and micro control. So this is one of the outstanding setting. You should fix this one. Use your camera for the capturing the picture and record the video. Again, come to this video and providing me your feedback. You really happy or not? If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.